Welcome to this quick guide on turning on professional mode on Facebook. If you're looking to switch your profile into a more business-friendly setup, this streamlined process will have you up and running in minutes. First, open the Facebook app and navigate to your profile. Your profile is the hub where all your personal and professional updates live. So starting here makes the switch clean and straightforward. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three dots next to your profile picture. This menu icon signals additional options and settings that aren't visible from the main feed. Tap the three dots to open the menu. You'll see a range of actions tailored to your profile, from editing details to privacy settings. Among these choices is a path labeled Turn on Professional Mode. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your region or app version, but it will be clearly marked as a mode designed for creators and professional pages. Select Turn on Professional Mode and follow the prompts. Facebook will guide you through a short setup flow, asking for details that help define your professional identity. This may include clarifying your creator status, adding relevant topics, and confirming how you want to present your profile to audiences. Take a moment to review each prompt so your profile accurately reflects your professional goals. As you proceed, you'll be offered options to customize how you're discovered, what information is highlighted, and how you interact with followers. These choices help you separate personal content from professional activity while still keeping your authentic voice intact. If you're aiming to grow a business, brand, or creative output, this mode provides tools and framing that can make that effort clearer to viewers. Once the prompts are completed, your profile will switch to professional mode. You'll notice changes in how your bio, highlights, and contact options appear, designed to present a cohesive professional presence. Take a moment to review your profile again, ensuring everything aligns with your brand and goals. If something feels off, you can revisit the settings and fine-tune your presentation. That's all there is to it. A few taps and your Facebook profile shifts into a mode built for creators and professionals, helping you engage with your audience more effectively without losing your personal touch.